We're excited to launch a new feature that makes job management easier than ever. Now, you can upload a work order PDF and Fergus will automatically convert it into a job by using AI to analyse the document. So what does this mean for you? Expect faster workflow with seamless uploads, less manual data entry and reduced admin work, and more time saved to focus on what matters. To get started, simply click the drop-down arrow next to the New Job button. Select Job from Work Order, drag and drop your work order PDF, and Fergus will analyse it automatically. If enough data is extracted, the job will be created instantly. If details are missing, you'll be redirected to the job creation page with pre-filled data. Just review and fill in any gaps. And if processing fails, you'll get a prompt to try again. While AI streamlines job creation, we recommend giving the details a quick review for accuracy. It's that simple. Give it a try today and experience the difference for yourself.